Hey, it's DPerry, and I am a realtor with Property Consultants in Bucktown. And today, on Logan Square and Westtown Homes Live, I'm going to share with you a free report entitled DIY Kitchen Remodeling on a Budget 5 Money Saving Steps. This report is brought to you by House Logic, which is made possible by realtors. But before we get started, I want to take 30 seconds just to share a freebie with you. Free is good, right? Market Snapshot. It's a free tool that allows you to keep your finger on the pulse of real estate in any area in Chicagoland. So how does it work? You get an email, you click the link, bam, here you go, home screen. So over on the right, you have summary information. You can drill down for explanations. Click the bullseye. What do you get? Bam, you get the market snapshot. You've got these houses. They're color coded. The colors correspond to the status: new for sale, sold, pending, expired. You can filter by clicking the buttons and see only what you want to see, and you can sort in a variety of ways: most recent, nearest proximity, etc. If you click one of the houses, is highlighted on the right, and you can drill down for more details. So if there are multiple pictures, you can take a look at all of those. You get detailed information on the property, such as room size, flooring, you name it. If you have school-age children, you can get school info and, of course, neighborhood information. Home is more than the four walls that you live within. It includes shops, restaurants, parks, etc. So, if we want to see what restaurants are nearby, you might just click here and then you get access to Yelp, where of course you can see pictures, menus, reviews, hours, phone numbers, the whole 9 yards. And guess what? Market Snapshot is absolutely free. The price is right, so there's no excuse. So go ahead and click the link that's in the show notes. But now, back to the report. Okay, DIY kitchen remodeling on a budget. 5 money saving steps. Can't afford an entire kitchen remodel in one fell swoop? You can complete the work in 5 budget saving stages and still cook dinner during the downtime. Okay, so major kitchen remodels are among the most popular home improvements, but a revamped cooking and gathering space can set you back a pretty penny. According to the Remodeling Impact Report for the National Association of Realtors, a complete renovation of a 210 square foot kitchen has a national median cost of $65,000, and you'll recover 62% of that cost uh, come selling time. Now, despite the big price tag, you'll be glad you upgraded. In fact, homeowners polled for the report gave their kitchen redo a joy score of 10, a rating based on those who said they were happy or satisfied with their remodeling, with a 10 being the highest rating and 1 the lowest. Now, if you can't afford the entire remodel all at once, complete the work in these 5 budget saving stages. Stage 1, start with a complete design plan. Your plan should be comprehensive and detailed. Everything from the location of the refrigerator to which direction the cabinet doors to open to whether you need a spice drawer. To save time and money during tear out and construction, plan on using your existing walls and kitchen configuration. That'll keep plumbing and electrical systems mostly intact, and you won't have the added expense and mess of tearing out walls. Joseph Feinberg, Vice President of Allied Kitchen and Bath in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, recommends hiring a professional designer, such as an architect or a certified kitchen designer, who can make sure the details of your plans are complete. You'll pay about 10% of the total project for a pro designer, but you'll save a whole bunch of headaches that would likely cost as much or more to fix. Plus, a pro is likely to offer smart solutions you hadn't thought of. For a nominal fee, you also can get designer help from a major home improvement store. However, you'll be expected to purchase some of your cabinets and appliances from that store. Cost: professional designer, $5,800, 10% of the total. Key strategies: once your plans are set, you can hold on to them until you're ready to remodel. Time frame: 3 to 6 months. Okay, stage 2, order the cabinets, appliances, and lighting fixtures. Now, cabinets and appliances are the biggest investment in your kitchen remodeling project. If you're remodeling in stages, you can order them anytime after the plans are complete and store them in a garage away from moisture or in a spare room until you're ready to pull the trigger on the installation. Remember that it may take 4 to 6 weeks from the day you order them for your cabinets to be delivered. If you can't afford all new appliances, keep your old ones for now, but plan to buy either the same sizes or choose larger sizes and design your cabinets around those larger measurements. You can replace appliances as budget permits later on. Now, the same goes for your lighting fixtures. If you can live with your old ones for now, you'll save money by reusing them. You'll have to decide about flooring too. Now, one of the trickier decisions to make because it also affects how and when you install cabinets. You'll need to know if your old flooring runs underneath your cabinets or if the flooring butts up against the cabinet sides and toe kicks. If the flooring runs underneath, you'll have some leeway for new cabinet configurations. Just be sure the old flooring will cover any newly exposed floor areas. Here are points to remember. Keep old flooring for cost savings. This works if your new cabinets match your old layout, so that the new cabinets fit exactly into the old flooring configuration. If the existing flooring runs underneath your cabinets and covers all flooring area, then any new cabinet configuration will be fine. Keep your old flooring for now and cover it or replace it later. Again, this works if your cabinet configuration is identical to the old layout. However, if you plan to cover your old flooring or tear it out and replace it at some point in the future, remember that your new flooring might raise the height of your floor, effectively lowering your cabinet height. For thin new floor coverings such as vinyl and linoleum, the change is imperceptible. For thicker flooring such as wood and tile, you might want to take into account the change in floor height by installing your new cabinets on shims. Cost: cabinets $16,000, 27% of the total. Appliances and lighting fixtures $8,500, that's 15% of the total. Vinyl flooring, it's about $1,000, 2% of the total. Key strategy: keep old appliances, lighting fixtures, and flooring and use them until you can afford new ones. Time frame: 2 to 3 weeks. Stage 3: gut the kitchen and do the electrical and plumbing work. Now, here's where the remodel gets messy. Old cabinetry and appliances are removed, and walls may have to be opened up for new electrical circuits. Keep in close contact with your contractor during this stage so you can answer questions and clear up any problems quickly. A major kitchen remodel can take 6 to 10 weeks, depending on how extensive the project is. During this stage, haul your refrigerator, microwave, and toaster oven to another room, near the laundry or the garage, for example, so you've got the means to cook meals. Feinberg suggests tackling this stage in the summer when you can easily grill and eat outside. That'll reduce the temptation to eat at restaurants and will help keep your day-to-day costs under control. Costs: $14,500 for tear out and installation of new plumbing and electrical, 25% of total. Key strategies: encourage your contractor to expedite the tear out and installation of new systems. Plan a makeshift kitchen while the work is progressing. Schedule this work for summer when you can grill and eat outside. Time frame: 6 to 10 weeks. Stage 4: install cabinets, countertops, appliances, flooring, and fixtures. If you've done your homework and bought key components in advance, you should roll through this phase. You've now got a mostly finished kitchen. A high-end countertop and backsplash can be a sizable sum of money. If you can't quite swing it, put down a temporary top such as painted marine plywood or inexpensive laminate. Later, you can upgrade to granite, tile, solid surface, or marble. Cost: $12,000, 21% of the total. Key strategy: install an inexpensive countertop, upgrade when you're able. Time frame: 1 to 2 weeks. Final phases: upgrade if necessary. Replace the inexpensive countertop, pull up the laminate flooring, and put in tile or hardwood, or buy that new refrigerator you wanted but couldn't afford during the remodel. Just make sure it fits in the space. So, this article was written by Gretchen Roberts, and she's written about homes and gardens for Better Homes and Gardens, HGTV.com, HGTVPro.com, Old House Journal, and Lowe's Creative Ideas. She lives in a 1900 craftsman-style home in beautiful eastern Tennessee. So, I hope you found value in that. If you'd like your very own market snapshot, hey, it's easy to get. All you got to do is click the link. The live link is in the show notes, so go ahead and click it now. There's no reason not to. And you will be able to keep your finger on the pulse of real estate in any neighborhood in Chicagoland. If you have any questions about real estate, call me, Doug Perry, at 312-572-9801, or email me at dperry@propertyconsultants.com. I would love to talk to you. I would love it even more to see you.